Okay, welcome back to my house. Yes, Carter, I did change my shirt to a black shirt because my other shirt made me look too chubby. So I changed shirt. Teacher David is too chubby. I need to change to a smaller shirt. Anyways, your sheet that I gave you last time, okay, it's page 5. It's this one right over here. I'm going to play it for you really quickly, okay? It should be pretty easy for you, but at the same time, it might be pretty hard because you're not used to playing guitar yet. That's why you need to practice every single day. Okay? If you can practice like 10 minutes a day, that can help you get better. Okay? So today we're going to focus on the E string. Okay? Now, you already know the E string, there's 2 E's on the guitar. One is on the bottom, one is on the top. Okay? And if you also look on the notes, one thing that we talked about is whole notes and quarter notes, just like the piano. Because I think you shared with me last time that you know quarter notes and whole notes. When you see the black notes, those are called quarter notes. Every time you see the black note, you count 1. Okay, so it's only 1 beat. So for example, right over here, if you looked at the notes, you will count 1, 2, 3, 4. And then you see a line. That means stop counting because you usually count to 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then you go up to the next one, you have to count 1, 2, 3, 4. And then you stop again. You start all over and you count from 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then you stop. And then you see a white note. Okay? This white note is called a whole note. When you see this, you have to count 4. You play it 1 time, and you count 1, 2, 3, 4. And let me show it to you, okay? So if you have this page, you can play along with me, but don't forget, when we play, we want to keep the same speed. Keep the same speed, okay? That is what is important about practicing this easy exercise. It helps you keep the same speed, and also it helps you get used to playing the E string. If you're not used to it yet, sometimes you might end up playing the top string, you might play the middle string, but don't forget to focus on playing the E string, okay? E string sounds like this. E string is the bottom E string, the high E string, the little thin E string, okay? Now, when you're holding onto your pick, you have brand new picks. Hold it where you're comfortable, okay? Hold it any way you want as long as you're comfortable. The skinny part, the thin part, is the part where you're going to use to play the E string, okay? Now, follow the notes. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And 1, 2, 3, and play again. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so that's pretty easy, so you can play it. In the beginning, it might seem hard, but with more practice, it's going to get easier and easier and easier. Okay, if you're playing the E string and sometimes you accidentally play the other strings, it's okay. Just go ahead and start all over and just practice playing on the E string. Practice training your hands to play the E string and counting out loud. Counting out loud. Keeping the same speed. And keeping the same speed. Let me do it one more time for you. Okay, E string. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And 1, 2, 3, 4. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? I have my guitar on my lap. The round part right here, it's on my lap. And I'm actually just holding it very lightly with my left hand. And my right hand just playing the E string. Okay? I'm actually holding it with my thumb sometimes. Sometimes I hold it with my hand, sometimes I hold it with my thumbs. Whatever you're comfortable. As long as you can play that E string. E, 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 2, 3, 4. Okay, so if you need help, ask your mom and dad to help you. I think they should be able to help you with this, okay? And one last thing is, we also practice the F note. We use our first fingers. If you can practice holding onto the F note, where's the F note? It is the first fret. Okay, this first box right here, this box is called a fret. Box 1, that means it's fret number 1. The next box is fret number 2, fret number 3, and fret number 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now on the E string, which is the bottom string, if you have your first finger, this is the F. You can practice E, F, E, F, E, F, E, F. Let me show you, okay? That's something that we practice also during class time. E, F, 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 E. That sounds like a shark is coming. Every time when you hear that, that means maybe there's sharks. The shark is over there. Just kidding. See you. Yeah. So don't forget, practice your E, F, E, F. Practice your E. Practice your counting. Okay? Your mom and dad will help you. Any questions? Ask teacher. Okay? See you. Bye.